Hello and welcome to Watson's Weekly. This is a quick roundup of what I think are the most important and interesting economic and commercial events of the week just gone. This was the week where Bitcoin jumped up quite dramatically from its lows on the back of reports that Nasdaq is going to start trading Bitcoin futures next year. If it does, this will add some credibility and drag it slightly closer to the mainstream investor. It was a tough week for European car makers as Trump threatened yet again to increase tariffs on European cars going to the US. GM announced big staff cuts and factory closures as it races to future-proof itself against declining car ownership and electrification. And then we had the official figures were published this week that showed that Tesla's car sales in China fell by a whopping 70% last month, which would probably explain why Tesla decided to cut prices of its Model X and Model S. It was a mixed week in the retail sector as early figures suggested that Black Friday was disappointing for UK retailers, although John Lewis had some very strong figures. IKEA announced a 40% fall in profits this week as it decided to take on the cost of transforming itself into a retailer, having more of a mix of large out-of-town stores, smaller city centre stores and a better online presence. Profits are expected to be depressed because of this for the next 3 years. The media sector saw some interesting developments, with WPP slimming down by pushing two of its group companies, J. Walter Thompson and Wunderman, together as digital advertising growth continues to hit traditional advertising firms. In streaming, Netflix announced that it would increase the number of shows it produces in Europe by a third, which will put a lot of pressure on competitors and traditional broadcasters alike. AT&T announced at the end of the week that its Time Media Group will be offering 3 versions of its new streaming video service towards the end of next year. I have to say that I think that they will have their work cut out, taking on the likes of Netflix, Amazon and now Disney. I expect carnage as they fight it out and subscribers suffer streaming fatigue. I hope you found this roundup interesting. I publish a daily note on watsonsdaily.com which gives you more detail on what I've just said on a daily basis. If you want to get access to this, as well as my weekly, monthly and annual publications that will help to turbo boost your commercial awareness, don't be shy. Please subscribe. A subscription will cost you less than a double espresso per month. So thanks for watching. Watson, out.